guys, welcome back to my channel. And it is officially the day after Christmas. I had a good Christmas. I had really nice gifts, which is not about the gifts. For example, I got this beautiful ring light from my sister, and it is amazing because like, look at the quality, y'all. Come on. I'm not gonna know how to act with this ring light, y'all. But today I'm doing a nice just this makeup tutorial, which is 2 different colors. It's brown right on the outside, and I mixed 2 different greens to get this from the 35A up to Dawn palette. So you guys will see me do this, and then I'm just gonna be talking up in this video, y'all. So let's get right into it. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna do my eyes and my face while we just chat about New Year's coming up and what happened yesterday. So it's also, I'm really getting used to this this new lighting, y'all. As you can see, it's a little red under my nose because I had a cold and I was like flaming up yesterday, so I'm trying to get this under control. This light is so good, it's like insane, y'all. Oh my god. I actually got this lighting for Christmas. My sister gave me some more lighting for my channel to help me with the lighting. So I was like, oh, thank you. Okay, she didn't have to do that, but good sisters. This light is like impeccable. Is that a good word? I think so. So let's just start. I'm gonna start with my brows. Oh, actually, no, I need to moisturize my face. I use the Neutrogena as always, just a skin moisture. You know, Christmas was really good. It was really nice to see my sisters. I got some really nice gifts, which is not about the gifts, it's about family. I got to see my sister, be with my family, give my cat some gifts, so it was really nice and really funny. And like I said in my last video, our tradition, we give each other, we don't really have a big tradition, we just eat Chinese food, because Chinese food is always open on Christmas. So that was nice. So yeah, I'm going to start with my brows, y'all. I use the Ultimate Brow Palette from BH Cosmetics. I really can't get over this camera quality, y'all. If y'all see me looking over here, my mirror is over here. So I'm like looking at the mirror, looking at the camera at the same time. Okay, guys, I have my eyebrow brush. I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. I use the angle brush. It comes in every brush set, so you'll know it's for your brows specifically. This is only for your brows. So yeah, this is the palette, guys. I had this for some years, and it still looks like this. So I'm using the light, like the medium brown. I use the medium brown for my eyes right here, which I kind of started already. And I'll do the dark brown, like the dark black brown on the outside, because I have like no hair on the outside of my brows. You always see tutorials when they tell you start at the bottom then the top. It's not that serious. Just fill the stuff in and put concealer and you'll be good. So y'all, I am like, it's insane. It's already funny because it's like the year is almost over with. I'm trying to fix stuff for my school because I have everything, have this large balance because they started charging us already. Of course, obviously that's nothing. But I'm also trying to fix my dorm situation, which I got my dorm, but they got me in another building that I did not ask for. I actually did ask for it, but it was the wrong building. I thought it was something else. Now I have to wait till the school open, which is January 3rd. I'm like, they put me in honors building. I'm not an honors student, which I'm like, ew, I should be honored, but no. It's 4 girls in those rooms. It can't be 4 girls with one bathroom. That's not happening. I feel like it'll be like straight bad girls club, so. I sent them an email. I said, nope, this ain't gonna work. I need to be moved. And they messed up anyway because I'm not an honor student. So I'm praying I get that fixed before. Because I don't know when I know my first day of school is the 12th. So mainly they'll have us move back in the 10th. That's normally how it is. So yeah, I'm going to keep filling my brows in, guys. I don't have to do that much to this one, but now I got to make it look like this one, kind of. I always had thinner, like the wings on that. Is it called a wing? The outside part of my brows, but it's not that hard. I'm excited because this year is almost over, y'all. This year was like so depressing. Like it was so depressing. Not for me. I'm just talking like in life and like in the world in general. Just so much that happened this year. Hopefully, I can't even say that. You know what? I feel like ever since COVID hit, it's been bad. So I'm going to go in with my concealer and I'm going to clean these brows up, y'all. This is what I'm saying. I gotta say it's not that serious. You just put your brows on and you just clean them up with concealer. That's all we're doing. So I'm going to line this under here because you don't want to get this everywhere. That's the only thing where you have to be careful when you do your concealer because this stuff will get everywhere, guys. And I'm gonna fill this in. I have like all my tools, like I always say, it's like I'm doing surgery, they're all down here. So I'm gonna take my brush. You can use any brush you want, but I use this. You can use your finger if you want to. And I'm just going to bring this down because I'm putting concealer on my eyes anyway, guys. I'm talking about y'all, this lighter shows everything. I love it. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow. I swear this brow throws me off every time. It's always a weird one. Everybody has that weird looking brow. I don't know what it is. But I'm going to be using my 35A Up to Dawn Artistry palette. This is it. I got this palette from Ulta. And I got it because it was a pretty palette, but also because on Halloween I was looking for green. And this had the most green. I was like, this looked like it had a lot of green because it's a green palette, and I was right. So if you don't know what it looks like, this is it. It's like a good green section, guys. That's the palette. I am going to be using the Jungle Boogie. It's a little smudge of green right there. So yeah, I'm going to go and take my brush. I need to clean this brush real quick. I swear I don't know what it is, y'all. I've never like, it's always after I like do a red eye or a pink eye, which is when I forget to do my clean my brushes. I'm gonna learn. Some room me, y'all. Okay, guys, so this is what the color looks like. There we go. And I am going to see, because it's my first time using this color at this palette. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's nice. I really wanted like a smudge green anyway. That's what I was looking, kind of going for, the kind of darker smudge green. This is kind of what it is. I'm okay with this. I'll probably put a little bit of the darker green with it. The good thing is that this eyeshadow is so soft, y'all. I'm going to add a little bit of the Nocturnal. This is this color. Because it's a really, really dark green, guys. I'm going to put a little bit. Don't say a little bit, but I'm going to put it over my eye. Because I wanted it darker. And always, when I have a darker color, I glam my face up. So we don't have to worry about that. I'm going to put some shimmer. Probably some gold. Or it's a silver color, probably gold in the corner of my eye. I am so excited, y'all. I keep saying it, but like next year, I plan on traveling. Like I have a really good first place I want to travel to by myself. Or with my sister, she already got a passport. I do plan on leaving the country anyway, so it'll be fun to travel. You know, better to travel now because I feel like this world is about to end. Am I wrong, y'all? I heard people talking about the ice age because it's so cold. Like, this is some weird weather. So, yeah, I'm ready to get out of here. Ready to travel and go to really nice cafes. That's a hint for you guys. Really good hint. Is it? Because it's okay, guys. Now I did my eyeshadow and I went in and did my liner just to get that done. I'm going to go in with my face. So, I'm going to use the 355 Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. This is the matte and plus poreless. They also just have the matte one, but I think I like this one more because it's not so dry. It don't like dry really matte. I don't need all that. But I need to try. I do plan on getting another foundation, trying a different one for you guys because I really do want to try a different one. I really want to try Rihanna's the Fenty foundation. I just heard things about it. I heard that it's really watery, but I want to try it for myself. And let's cover the blemishes. There's nothing wrong with your blemishes, but I need to cover under my eyes. For some reason, I had like dark marks under my eyes like my whole life, so I always try to cover them up. So yeah, I'm gonna do, I really don't, well, I was gonna say I really don't put foundation everywhere, which I really don't. I try to just cover the spots, but I'm just gonna go and do it everywhere. Because I'm doing a full face. I'm gonna be mixing the Cool Tan with my Toffee because I use the Pro LA Girl Concealer. This is the only concealer I can use right now, y'all. It's like the best. It's really thick concealer, and it's also a total coverage. Like I love total coverage. It's just because I don't want to have to do so much when I'm covering it, but this is really good concealer. So if you're looking for some, this is it. I got this. You can get these from, they don't have them at Walmart no more. You can go to Ulta and get them. They're like $5. $5 at Walmart. That's what it looks like. And we're going to blend this all out. Okay, guys. So I finished my concealer. We are looking good. I'm going to go and set my face with my powder. I just used my BH Cosmetics bronzer powder. Which you can use setting powder. Obviously, use any powder you want. I'm just not contouring my face anyway, so I'm not using setting powder. I just have concealer, so yeah. I'm just doing concealer, so I'm just not doing the whole If I would use setting powder if I was doing like a full contour. That's just me though. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that same green I had before. I'm gonna do my under eyes. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with my blush, y'all. I'm gonna be using the Blush in the Bali palette. This is definitely one of my favorite palettes because it has highlighter as well. This is what it looks like. Get it from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna use, and it's funny because I have like 2 of these from BH Cosmetics. This is like the only one I didn't mess up because I dropped it and it broke. So this is what it looks like, guys. Other side, better angle. I'm gonna be using I think I'm going to use the lighter one. And I'm going to put one of these in the corner of my eyes. So I'm going to take my blush brush. This is it. I'm going to get a little bit. Just one on my cheeks. You know, blush is really light and you could barely see it sometimes. So I think people always be wondering what's the point of wearing it if you can barely see it. I think it's just knowing that you have it on. I think that's what it is. And I'm going to have to work out, y'all, because I feel like I got a double chin going on. This ain't going to work. Okay. So now that I finished the blush and highlight, I put a little highlighter on it, guys. I'm going to go on and contour. I'm just using the dark contour on the outside of my face. Which tool do we need next? There we go. I'm just going to use the dark color in my contour palette. And I just go on the outside of my face. I'm talking about, y'all, my sister is the best. This lighting is amazing. I also have colored lighting on here as well. I need to get my nails done. What the heck? Now, I'm going to do my eyelashes, mascara, eyelashes, and lip gloss off camera. You guys will see the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished product, guys. I hope you like it. I absolutely loved it. It was very fun to do, very simple to do. I used one color, and I just, I had brown on the thing, so I guess you could say brown, because I was going to do brown anyway, so brown on the outsides, green right there. And then I added gold in the corner just for some glam, added my gloss for some glam, guys. Lashes, and here we go. This was very fun. Once again, I used the 35A Up to Dawn palette. It's a very good palette. The eyeshadow is very smooth, so if you're looking for a good palette, that's one of them. It's just the only thing is that they don't have the brightest colors. I wasn't looking for the brightest colors when I bought it, so I wouldn't say it's a starter palette at all, but it's a very beautiful palette, so definitely recommend. I just added my earrings and a cute top, which I got from Pretty Little Thing. There's chains on the back of the shell, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.